If I could wipe my memory and start my coding journey from absolute zero today, would I change my language, my framework, my stack? Honestly, no. HTML and CSS, a breeze. JavaScript, that hit me like a freight train. But the real enemy wasn't the syntax, it was the hamster wheel of tutorials. I'm Little Prince, and this is the exact unfiltered blueprint I used to escape it. Phase 1, the Web Trinity. I'd blast through HTML and CSS in a week. Yeah, just structure and paint. I wouldn't linger. Then JavaScript hits. I'd learn variables, loops, and functions. But here's the fork in the road. Instead of watching 40 more hours of JavaScript theory, I'd immediately pivot to backend. Jumping into Node.js, Express, and MongoDB saved my career. Working with servers, routes, and databases forced me to solve actual logic problems, not just color a button blue. And by pure coincidence, I fell into Rust later, but that's a story for another frame. Here's one thing I desperately wish someone told me: to-do lists apps teach you crude, but they don't teach you impact. Build the to-do to learn the syntax, then delete the repo and build something people would actually care about. A habit tracker, a shared grocery list, a niche mini SaaS, an AI, something AI related. When you build for others, you stop chasing perfect code and start chasing shipping. That's where real growth lives. Here's my timeline if I started today. 2 weeks for HTML and CSS, or maybe more if you don't have that time on your hands. 2 months hammering JavaScript fundamentals, because when you learn the actual basics, there's no really need to go deeper. That's what I did, and I'm fine. 3 months for Node and databases, then 1.5 years of just building. Give yourself at least 2 years. Boot camps are great for structure if you need them, but I was self-taught and you can be too. This isn't a 100-meter dash, it's a marathon for your brain. Everyone is terrified of being replaced by AI. Here's my hot take. Use AI, but don't let it think for you. Use Copilot or Claude to write your boilerplate, your fetch requests, your app.listen. But if you don't understand the logic behind it, you'll be replaced. AI is for your typing speed boost, but your brain is the compiler. If you want to skip the junk and find high quality, practical projects, not just theory, go check out Great Stack. That's what I personally use to get where I am today. Build their projects, and then this is the most important part: customize the hell out of them, make them yours, add different colors, test on what they did, maybe even change the fonts and all that. If you are stuck in tutorial hell right now, drop a comment below. I'll reply with the exact first project you should build to escape. I'm Little Prince. Keep your logic sharp, your code clean, and I'll see you in the next one.